I'm going to attempt to make a nice copper tailpiece for my Relic style guitar out of a piece of copper. I've got this piece of, it's an offcut of copper sheet, so I've just sketched out a rough design idea on it, and I'm going to start cutting away roughly with a hacksaw and then file it down to the finished shape, and we'll see how we go, see if it works. I think I'll be able to use it. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I've just cut out the rough shape very roughly, just using a hacksaw round the edges, which I sketched out with a Sharpie, and now I'm going to use a file and try and smooth the round off the edges and smooth it down and try and get it into the proper shape. I'm sure that there are quicker, better ways of doing this with machine tools and so on, but I haven't got them, so it's make do and mend. Okay, so there we go. I've cut out the rough shape of the tailpiece. So the intention is to, yeah, I cut my finger while I was doing it, yeah. So if you're going to try anything like that, be careful. Anyway, so the intention is to attach this to the back of the box there, using the strap button. There's the shaped copper tailpiece. I've bent it to shape. It fits in just the right position on the box. I've drilled holes for the strings and for the strap button to attach it to the box. The only thing left to do is to age the copper, because I want to give it more of an aged copper look. So I'm going to do that with some vinegar and salt. Just a solution of vinegar and salt, which I'm going to brush on, and then we'll leave it to dry and do its magic. Okay, so this is my solution of vinegar and salt, and I'm going to brush this onto the shiny copper tailpiece that I've made, and we'll give it some time, and what it will do, it will age the copper. So I'm just going to brush it on quite liberally all over, do both sides. And round the edges as well. Okay, so I may need to give this a couple more coats to get the desired effect, but let's leave that for a while and see how we go. Okay, so it's now a couple of hours later, and there is the finished tailpiece, looking a bit more aged and a bit more antique-y. So I'll just put it on the box, and then you can see the effect with the rest of the hardware. So there's the pickup cover I made, and the volume and tone knobs, which are also copper. Right, okay, so I'm going to put the rest of the guitar together and we'll see how it goes. And there is the finished article with the tailpiece on. As you can see, I've fitted it with the strap button, and the strings go over the oak saddle. So not bad.